Hi, welcome to this 8-minute walkthrough of the Kontainer Digital Asset Management tool. Kontainer is easily customized to align with your brand's identity. Incorporate your logo, fonts, colors, backgrounds, and URL. You have several options for adding users, including single sign-on capabilities and creating an open portal. I'm logging in as an administrator. Here you can see how folders are organized to accommodate different types of assets, such as collections, brand guides, and campaign materials. You have complete control over your company's folder structure. Kontainer supports an extensive range of file types, including Illustrator, TIFF, Photoshop, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, PDF, audio, videos, and many more. You can preview everything directly in Kontainer. To navigate, simply use the keyboard arrows. You'll find detailed image information, including custom field tagging, file versions, metadata, download statistics, CDN links for sharing, and more. To share a file, you simply click here to generate and copy a time-limited link, or insert the recipient's email information and share the file with ease. This sharing feature works seamlessly for single files, multiple selections, or entire folders, allowing you to track usage. Use a download template, and Kontainer will automatically convert the files to the specified format before download. Templates are often used for social media, web shops, PowerPoint, marketplaces, newsletters, and resellers who have specific format demands and other requirements. You create your own templates under Resources, like this one for a reseller. Within each template, you can choose presets, including format, color space, quality, size, and export of product information. Under Image Output, you'll find options for cropping, resizing proportionally, or resizing to a fixed size. If you want to convert a square picture into a horizontal one, Kontainer can automatically fill in the background color based on the image's color. Inner margins can be added, and you can also select a specific background color. At the bottom, you'll find our renaming options, where files can be automatically renamed via tags like item number and collection name. Kontainer will then replace these placeholders with the product values on the file upon download. When download templates are created, you can select multiple files and download them in different formats. For example, if you choose a crop format like Instagram, you'll have the option to adjust the cropping area before downloading or generating a CDN link. If you don't have a predefined download template, you can always choose Download Custom, set your specifications, crop if needed, and download the file. In addition to download options, Kontainer also offers file data outputs in the form of Excel lists that can include thumbnails and links to the files in selected formats. Other outputs available are PDF sheets and Word files, customized specifically to your needs. We see these used by, for example, sales teams, customer service, and resellers. Now let's explore our custom field tagging. These are highly flexible and will be tailored to your exact needs. Think of them as data categories that help you refine your searches and filter content effectively. Product information can be auto-enriched on the files by simply uploading an Excel file or making seamless integrations to ERP or PIM systems. Searching the platform for files is easy when you filter results based on attributes, like a specific collection or a list of unique item numbers copied into this expanded search field from a spreadsheet with, for example, 300 different item numbers. Once you've selected your search criteria, you can share, download, or organize the results into what we call an album folder, making a selection while avoiding duplicates. To minimize duplication, we offer 3 folder options for creating selections without generating duplicates. The album folder enables easy drag-and-drop functionality, while the Smart folder allows you to create folders where content is shown automatically by applying filters. You might want a folder containing lifestyle images and drawing images from several collections. So you'll select your source folder and set up a filter to display images from a certain collection, but only the image type called Lifestyle Images. The Smart folder is created automatically and will pull in images on an ongoing basis. These folders can be easily configured to meet your evolving needs. Now, on to one of my favorite features that lets you create landing pages, campaigns, or brand guides. In Kontainer, it's a straightforward process to design pages for color guides, font usage, guidelines, and much more. You can structure these landing pages with files or subfolders containing different assets as needed. Simply navigate to a specific folder, like this one I've made here, and access the page editor via the More menu in the upper right corner. Within the editor, it's easy to customize elements as required. Drag and drop editorial content, duplicate sections and add new sections, images, text, spacer lines, or videos. Sharing a landing page is also very easy. Simply click Share, copy the link, and send it out. Anyone who clicks on the link gains instant access to the content without login. Contact details can also be included on the landing page. Now let's explore setting permissions. We offer individual user and user group management. Creating a new user is straightforward. Suppose you want to establish a direct portal for an image bank targeting the UK market. You can define permissions, granting view, download, upload, and delete rights. These settings can be inherited or customized at different levels. Additionally, you can configure download options and field visibility. There is a wide variety of user types for different purposes. The ones with added emails can subscribe to receive notifications about new content and comments added to the folders the user has access to, choosing between immediate, daily, or weekly notifications. Lastly, we offer various plugins such as Canva for easy content creation, Adobe for InDesign and Photoshop, Microsoft Office for seamless usage with PowerPoint, Word, and Excel, and a wide array of other plugins. Kontainer also supplies a full API, providing endless possibilities for integrations and customization. Thanks for watching this short presentation of Kontainer DAM. To experience the system yourself, create a free trial on our website. And to see how customers similar to you use the system, or to get an introduction to Kontainer PIM for handling product data, book a commitment-free demo with one of our product experts.